Greetings to you all. I'm by the names Cado de Gracious, a teacher by profession. I'm here to make awareness about COVID-19. The word COVID here is just an abbreviation. CO stands for corona, V stands for virus, and D disease. So therefore, COVID is coronavirus disease. That notation 19 is just telling you the year it was discovered. It was discovered in 2019 in Wuhan, China. So therefore they have given it that name COVID-19 depending on the type of the virus and the year it was discovered. I want us to look at how this COVID-19 is spread. We shall start by looking at how it gets into our body. This disease can be transmitted from one person to another. A person carrying the virus can infect you with that virus in case you happen to breathe in some droplets from that person. So it is carried from one person to another. Okay. It is spread through respiratory droplets that would be expelled from the nose or mouth when a person coughs or sneezes. Now, when a person coughs or sneezes, droplets comes out of their respiratory system, and those droplets might be containing the germs. If someone breathes in such germs, those germs will enter their system and people get infected. Okay. Now, there's another one. COVID-19 infection can also occur if you touch surfaces and then touch your eyes, your nose, and mouth. So here, if you touch surfaces that could be infected with the virus, and then you touch the eyes, the nose, and the mouth, the virus can easily enter your body system. The reason here is simple. These areas I've mentioned, the eyes, the nose, and mouth, they contain soft membranes, which membranes can allow entry of germs such as the coronavirus germ or virus. So make sure you don't touch your eyes, your nose, or your mouth if you are not sure of the hygiene of your hands. Another way it can spread, it is by inhaling droplets from a sick person who has just coughed or sneezed. So if a sick person coughs, some droplets are left in the air. So if you try to breathe in such air which is contaminated with those droplets, the virus will enter your body system and eventually you get infected with the virus. Okay, so those are the four major ways I've looked at that can cause us getting infected with the disease. Okay, we want to look at how this COVID-19 can be prevented. Fortunately, this disease can easily be prevented by just maintaining personal hygiene of washing your hands and others, as we are going to see. There are many measures that are put before us, but I'm just going to look at a few of them. These measures enable us to prevent us from getting infected with the virus. The first measure, we should keep social distance at least 1 meter apart. We should make sure we are not crowded. We should give ourselves a social distance of at least 1 meter apart. By doing so, you will not be in a position to breathe in germs from the infected people. 2, we should always wear our mask and put it on our to cover our nose and the mouth. Reason these two areas, the nose and the mouth, can easily allow entry of germs into our body system, especially the respiratory system. We should also avoid the places that are crowded. Avoid going to places that are crowded. So such places may be containing infected people. As you may see here, there are spotted people. One might be infected, another may not be infected. So if you go in a crowd, you can easily get infected. Another measure we can use to prevent the spread of the disease is washing our hands. We should always wash our hands regularly with soap. Soap is a disinfectant. It can easily kill germs that could be around our hands. So make sure you wash your hands thoroughly well. Take at least 20 seconds while washing to ensure that all the germs that would be inside your hands are cleaned or they are killed. Okay. Now, another way is to stay home. Avoid going to places that are crowded. There's no reason you should move to places that you are not sure of their safety. So you should stay home. If it requires any communication, use communications like the media, use phones and others to get information, but avoid moving to such places. Another way is during sneezing or coughing, make sure you sneeze into your elbow or you sneeze into an handkerchief. So by doing so, if you have a virus, you will not spread the virus to the entire community. So it will prevent the germs from going out of your body and spread, infecting other people. So cough under your elbow or cough within your handkerchief. Okay. Another way we can also prevent is by staying in well ventilated areas or rooms. Make sure the area you are living in is well ventilated. If the area is well ventilated, you'll have enough fresh air to breathe in, and the air that is contaminated might be cleaned away by the flow of wind. So make sure you are in a well ventilated area. Then the last measure here is to go for vaccination, and this one is very important. Let us all go for vaccination. We get vaccinated so that our body system builds immunity, which immunity can easily kill the virus if it enters our body. Remember, coronavirus is a flu-related virus which can stay with us it will stay long with us. So if we don't get vaccinated at any one time, expect to be infected. But if you get vaccinated, your body immunity will be stronger enough to fight the germs if they enter your body. So I would advise everybody to go for vaccination. Okay. Another okay. So now, in Uganda, we have Ministry of Health, and this one is responsible for the health of all citizens of Uganda. They have given us a lot of standard operating procedures. Let us try to adhere to those standard operating procedures. which will help us keep us alive and free from the virus. In case someone has got a problem and you're seeing some signs as the ones I'm going to mention here, you are to report to the Ministry of Health or report to your local leaders, as we are going to see. Now, in case someone gets persistent flu, which flu is on for a very long time, you would suspect someone to have been infected with the virus. You could have headache. Someone could develop headache if the virus has entered your body. You could have sore throat if that virus has entered your body. The body temperatures would increase, and this body temperature comes with the fever. So if you see such symptoms in the people around you or in yourself, try to call this number. It is toll free. That number is 0800 20 20. Okay, let me repeat. It is 0800 20 30 33. That number is a toll free line. Call at any time. You get someone to help you. If at all you can't call, try to contact your local leaders, who will help you to connect with the Ministry of Health, and you get immediate attention. There are many SOPs. Let us try to keep those SOPs to prevent the virus entering our body. I think with all that, I wish you well. I wish you a safe stay with the corona-free health. So thank you for listening to me. God bless you.